Did you forget your Gmail password? Don't worry, in this video I will guide you through how can you see your Gmail password if you forget it. To see the password, first open your Google Chrome. Here tap on the three dot at the top right corner. Now go to settings. Now sign in your Gmail in Google Chrome. Now scroll down and find the Google Password Manager. Here you can see an option named Google or account.google.com. Tap on it and enter your mobile password. Now from here you can see your Gmail password. Just tap on the I button to see your password. That's how you can see your Gmail password. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.